What's going on, y'all? We are out here today in Morrison Springs in Ponce De Leon, Florida. Here's the springs right here. Crystal clear water. So I've dove this area before. It's been a long time ago, but today I have an underwater drone on this backpack behind me. We're gonna be dropping it in. A lot of people swim around here, stuff like that. We're gonna be looking for some lost goods, maybe doing a little treasure hunt and stuff like that. But really, just wanna get this drone in the water, learn what its abilities are, learn what I can do with it, because I got a lot of plans to put this drone to use out there, offshore, some stuff like that. So pretty cool little episode planned for y'all today. Y'all stay tuned, see what happens. So this is our drone right here. It's the QYSEA V EVO. It's got a little claw on there, so if we see anything down under the water, we'll be able to go down there and pick it up. Got some thrusters and stuff. So this will be our first time putting it in the water. Give it a little test run, see how it does. Got a spool that all the cord lays on, 300 foot of wire right there. All right, we are leveled out.
my rookie was.
All right, there she is right there. All right, y'all, well, that was pretty cool. Swam the drone up all around this spring, saw several schools of what looked to be big bass. I don't know how the perspective is underwater from the camera, but the bass that I was looking at looked like 3 to 5 pounders. Yeah, I mean, y'all correct me in the comment section, I'm sure, but saw some really big brim, lots of schools of brim. I might have to come out here and put a fishing trip together. That was pretty cool. We're going to go ahead, put the drone up for now, and we're gonna swim around. Brought my mast with me, so we're gonna hop in this super cold spring and see what we can see. I'll put the GoPro on the goggles, and yeah, we'll go for a swim. Holy moly, that is so cold, y'all. 68 degrees, so crazy. You know, I typically leave my house at like 69 degrees at night, no problem, right? 69 degree water, very cold. All right, we're about to, I'm gonna try to run down and explore some of the areas we saw with the drone that are holding some of the fish. Maybe we can see some. Y'all, we got Rusty right here, completely scared to get in the water. It's too cold for him. What you gonna say, Rusty?
I don't like cold water.
You don't like cold water? I don't like it either. But like, it's pretty cool. Like it don't take long to warm up once you're down there. Just jump in, bro.
Yeah, just get it over with.
My man is legit not wanting to touch this cold water.
Cycle of life. There you go. Look at that.
So as we're swimming right here, the fish are just completely running from us. Obviously, they probably should, but with the drone, they were not nervous, scared, anything around that drone. I was able to get that drone right up on them.
Hey, right over here.
You got them? I think Ben's got a school right here. Also found our first thing in these springs right here. A pair of old default glasses. I don't think they're really worth anything, but still cool to find something. We had a great morning down there flying the drone. Flying the drone? Swimming the drone? What would you even call it? I don't even know what to call it. What would you call it? Comment below. What are we doing with this drone? I'm assuming swimming it, driving it, anyways. That's neither here nor there. We had a great morning. I do got one thing I want to tell y'all though. On May 18th, the Fever group, which is a good friend of mine, Drew Giles, runs the Fever, is having a drawdown at the fairgrounds in Mobile. That's May 18th. It's $100 to get in the door, but that includes food and drinks for two, as well as a ticket into the drawdown to win $5,000. I'm gonna be there. A bunch of Mobile Bay kayak fishing guys are gonna be there as well. Come out there, see us, get your tickets. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But yeah, getting back to the whole underwater drone stuff, I got a lot of cool ideas planned for y'all. If y'all like that type of content, want to see more of it, just comment below. But I got a lot of cool ideas that are coming. I can't wait for them. Today was more of just exploring around the spring. We had a day, a couple of guys wanted to go out there, so that's what we did. I learned how to swim it under the water, stuff like that. Learned my controls really good with it. And then just kind of swam around looking for stuff. Didn't find anything with the drone down in the sand, but my buddy Ben swam down and found some DeWalt safety glasses, some cheap safety glasses. Anyways, did find those glasses down there at the springs, but had a good day. I hope y'all enjoyed this content. If y'all would, leave me a like, comment with any questions, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see y'all next time.